This IP is called WTF is the answer. Okay, the one winner will be getting a Bold Care hamper. The founder of Bold Care also decided to play this game. So in case he wins,
If I win, I'll give it to the person who comes second.
okay.
This is a simple show. 4 rounds and 1 couch. We ask questions and you yell the answers.
So even if it's wrong answer, it's okay?
No, the right answer is okay.
If you're the first to get it right, congratulations. You are now in the next round.
Hey, I got 3, okay, I'm out.
Round 1 needs 1 right answer. Round 2 needs 2. Round 3 needs 3. You see the pattern.
What if 3 लोगों ने चिल्लाया जोर से? Who will decide who was the first?
Exactly, that's me. It's very humiliating to get out in the first round.
If you've understood the rules so far, you're already doing better than our host. In the finale, the first player to yell 4 correct answers wins the prize.
Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, action. It's very humiliating to get out in the first round. I have a lot of expectations from you guys. And the first question is, what is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Vedu.
So
Okay,
even if
next
it's wrong
question.
answer, it's okay?
No, the right answer is okay.
Okay,
The right
fine.
answer is 100 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
It's not about yelling first. Okay. What's the national animal of Scotland?
Sheep. No.
The Loch Ness Monster.
Unicorn.
Yes!
Oh shit! What the fuck?
What?
Aishu, you have been selected for the
What
next
the
round.
fuck?
Are you serious?
Okay, next question. In DDLJ, what business does Amrish Puri's character own?
Grocery market. Grocery market.
Oh fuck!
Come on, Agastya.
A store.
Grocery store.
Yeah.
A convenience store.
I
हाँ.
said a general store.
तू थोड़ा जल्दी बोलेगा ना?
बोला था.
तू पहले बोलेगा ना? Pay attention. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite?
Moon.
Rahul.
I'm not enjoying. Like, I'm not having fun.
What does CPU stand for?
Central Processing Unit.
Sahej has made it. Come on, Aisha, what are you doing?
Some easy question asked him.
What modern day item made a cameo in Game of Thrones? Aisha has done it.
Oh my god.
One more to go. Mishti इतनी दूर से आई है यार. What is the capital of Australia?
Canberra.
And she has qualified. Are you guys okay with adding one more person to this?
Yeah.
अगस्त्य इज्जत का सवाल है. What is the term for animals that eat both plants and meat?
Mammals.
Omnivorous.
I'm sorry, Agastya, you are out. The pressure is high now. In Andhadhun, what instrument does Ayushmann play?
मैंने बोला सबसे पहले मैंने बोला. Please, guys, vote for it. I was the first one.
In the edit, I will make sure to look at who said it first. What gas makes up most of Earth's
Nitrogen. I said it first. There's no question about it, bro.
अबे एक ही आंसर हुआ वापस आ.
Oh, right. नहीं मैंने पहला वाला भी दिया था. I thought उसका credit मिल जाएगा अभी.
What is Arya Stark's dire wolf called in Game of
अरे घंटा बता.
Never watched Game of Thrones.
Sage, one answer.
क्या बोली?
The answer is Nymeria.
I wouldn't be able to guess.
What is the only continent
Antarctica.
Australia.
that spans all 4
Russia.
hemispheres?
Russia.
Russia country है मेरे भाई.
Africa.
Who was the first Asian actor to have a wax statue at Madam
शाहरुख खान. मैंने
Amitabh Bachchan.
Right answer.
Who is it?
It's Amitabh Bachchan.
ये मैंने शाहरुख खान पहले बोला.
What's the term for the plastic end of shoelaces?
Aglet. Sorry.
Vedu has qualified with 2
कमाल है.
answers.
ये तो पता ही होना चाहिए था वेदू को.
Well deserved.
What is the world's first artificial satellite?
How would I know?
Sputnik.
There we go. The accurate answer is Sputnik 1, but I'll give
तो वो
that
तो
to you.
assumed है ना, Sputnik 2 थोड़ी ना होगा.
पहले तो one ही होगा.
Rahul का hamper उसी को मिलेगा. Who suggested adding a white stripe to the Indian flag?
Gandhi ji.
You're right.
No, I knew this. I genuinely knew this. Yeah, obvious है.
Rohan has qualified.
Yes,
Let's
thank
go.
you guys.
An embarrassing bunch of people. What's the fastest growing plant on earth?
Bamboo.
Algae.
You're right. Rahul has qualified.
Some pop culture type ask yaar.
What animal has the longest tongue?
Giraffe.
Aisha, one answer, one answer.
Two,
Two she gave. Congratulations. What was Shah Rukh Khan's name in Chak De India?
Kabir Singh. Kabir Bedi. Kabir Khan. Kabir Khan. Kabir Bedi.
Kabir Khan is the right answer. Identify this movie from this badly explained plot. An Indian commando goes undercover in a college to foil a terrorist.
Mehuna.
And Mishti has qualified. Woo! Which Indian streaming series was the first to win an international Emmy?
Delhi crime. I said it first, 100%. Delhi crime.
Which movie was the first non-English film to win the Oscar for the Best Picture?
Parasite.
Vedu is correct. Which Indian author's debut novel, The White Tiger, won the
Arvind
Booker?
Adiga.
Identify the movie from the badly explained plot.
Okay.
A girl and her friends stage a play to come out to her family.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
Madhuri Dixit. Is it the
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
Name?
एक लड़की को देखा था.
Yes!
I haven't seen it.
It's fun to be in a train when it goes up and down through the hills.
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
Is the English translation for this iconic Bollywood song filmed on a train?
छया छया.
Name
Dil
the
Se.
song and movie.
दिल से चाहिए चाहिए.
What are we guessing? Are we guessing the film?
No. The translation is
परिणीता.
she sang the song.
आधा मिलना
she didn't
चाहिए
give the
ना
movie.
आधा मिलना चाहिए.
She started singing. So, what is the full form of this type of workout? HIIT.
High intensity interval training. I said it first.
Stop me.
High intensity interval
I
training.
said very clearly said it first.
Which former Indian Prime Minister gave
Jawaharlal Nehru.
the slogan Jai Jawan Jai
Atal
Kisan?
Bihari Vajpayee.
I did not know that actually.
राजेंद्र
गलत है
प्रसाद.
क्या?
Rajendra Prasad. Jawaharlal Nehru. I have to say goodbye.
His name starts with L.
Lala Lajpat Rai.
And it was Rahul.
लाल बहादुर शास्त्री.
Hey, I said Lala Lajpat Rai.
I heard Sheil say. He heard from Sheil.
It was Rahul.
What if तीन लोगों ने चिल्लाया जोर से? Who will decide who was the first?
Exactly, that's me. Which Hollywood actor
Brad Pitt.
was considered for the role of Raj Malhotra?
Tom
in
Cruise.
DDLJ?
Hey, I got 3. Okay, about.
What is the 5th book in Harry Potter series?
Order of Phoenix.
It is
There you
ordered.
go. How many stars are there on the Chinese flag?
3.
7.
5.
5. Igneous rocks are normally associated with what natural
Fire.
phenomenon?
Earthquakes.
Typhoon.
Volcanoes.
Volcanoes.
He said it first. How many bones are there in the adult human body?
206.
We just established that.
Thank you so much, both of you.
One question asked. One person can go any other round.
What is the outermost layer? The person who gets 4 answers
Crazy.
wins this game.
Okay.
But he's also committed. If he wins, he will give it to the second.
Second one, yeah. If Rahul wins, he gives it to the second one.
हम दोनों में से किसी को.
What is the outermost layer of the Earth's
Crust.
atmosphere called?
Exosphere.
Yes, you are right.
Stratosphere second.
What part of the human body never stops growing throughout
Eyes.
life?
Ears. Ears. It's yours.
Eyes.
It's
Eyes,
yours.
There's one more if you get
eyes,
it.
Eyes.
It's yours.
Yes. What is the term for the study of birds called?
Aviation. Aviology. Avian science.
I have no idea.
No, that's
apiarist,
flight. That's
apiarist.
flight. Birds is
Hey,
with
fuck.
O. It's ophthalmology. Ornology.
Ornithology.
Hey, this is collab effort. This is collab. I need half point. Director
What
अपना
is the
खास
oldest railway station in Mumbai?
Howrah. Oh, sorry. Thane.
CST. CST.
CST is the right
Come on,
answer.
CST के पहले भी था.
था क्या?
I can guarantee.
था
I
क्या?
can guarantee.
the-
First
Thane
railway
is
station
not
of Bombay.
Bombay.
Please
Thane
Google
is
first
not.
railway
Sorry.
station of Bombay.
Okay.
The answer is CST.
Okay,
Fact
we'll
check.
silence.
They're saying Thane only, bro.
Fact check me.
अच्छा, CST भी नहीं है.
It was Victoria Terminus. Which Japanese
रहा?
animator
नहीं पता.
founded
Miyazaki.
Studio Ghibli?
Miyazaki.
ये तो अभी ट्रेंड हुआ था.
अभी तो trend था, पता होना चाहिए.
Who won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2025?
रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर.
मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता.
Virat, if somebody knew this, you would not know them. There's no way in hell.
Okay.
They would be here.
What was the name of the peace treaty that ended World War One?
Treaty of Versailles.
Which we, Marseille.
Versailles.
It is the right
It is
answer.
the right answer.
What
the fuck?
It is the right answer.
What? I did not believe that.
राहुल अपना हैम्पर लेकर आया और खुद ही जीत कर चला गया. You could actually nominate anybody from the previous round
To participate.
to try and come and.
Agastya. Agastya.
Agastya.
Wild card entry. That's a wild card entry. Wild
Agastya,
card
here,
entry
here,
हो रहा है.
here. Which African country has 3 capital cities?
Nigeria. South Africa.
Yes.
नहीं देश है भाई अफ्रीका में.
What is the loudest animal on earth?
Whale.
तो नहीं पता. Whale ही है.
A type of whale.
Killer whale.
ए,
और
मुझे
का?
मिलना चाहिए इसके लिए. Blue whale. और-
Great. Great white
You
whale.
get, I'll give you the point.
Sperm
Yeah.
whale.
It's sperm whale, but he gets the point. Who discovered India by sea route?
Vasco
Vasco
da
da
Gama.
Gama. मैंने बहुत फास्ट बोलने की कोशिश की.
मैंने पहले
ऐसे नहीं बोला.
And with that,
Sorry, sorry.
we have Venu who has won.
Let's go.
Nepotism
Here you go,
has
brother.
survived.
वापस.
Let's pose like it's
point तो लेके जाता.
let's pose to the camera.
जरा वापस
Like a
देना हो,
vibrator.
अगले राउंड में वही देना है.
Yeah, it means a vibrator.